You're only a few short months away from having a 3-year-old. The span of time between ages 3 and 4 is sometimes referred to as the magic years, a time when language blossoms, independence and curiosity kick into higher gear, and social emotional skills start to sharpen. You may have also heard about the cliches of 3-year-olds being like tiny versions of teenagers, peer influenced, independent, temperamental, and sometimes downright rude. And that isn't fair to either the 3-year-olds or the teenagers, because here is the truth. As challenging as they might be sometimes, your child is on the doorstep of a unique, amazing chapter of their lives. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Tara. I am a mom of 2 boys, a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old, and I make Montessori and motherhood videos here on my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on the Free Spirit box from Lovevery, which is for ages 34, 35, and 36 months. My youngest son is turning 3 in just a couple of months, so this box is perfect for him. It is right in his age range and perfect for him developmentally. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for your very own Lovevery box, so be sure to stay to the end of the video so you don't miss out on how to enter today's giveaway. Okay, let's jump into the video. So I've got all of the pieces from the box out right here, and I'm really excited to share with you what some of mine and my son's favorite pieces are. For today's video, I'm going to start off talking about their play guides. I think that often the play guides in the Lovevery kit are kind of overlooked, but really they are almost the most important part of the whole kit. The play guides are just packed with so much information about your child, where they are developmentally, what are some milestones that you might be looking for this age range. There's so much information in this play guide, but I especially love how they let you know how and why to use each material. So it's not just like, here's a toy for your child to play with, but it goes over how you can introduce the toy or activity to your child, as well as why these activities or toys are important developmentally. The first thing that we have is the Land and Sky 2-part puzzle. When I first pulled this out, I didn't immediately realize that this was supposed to be land and sky until I read about it, but I like the way that they included this as a little bit of an abstract concept. My 2-year-old really does enjoy puzzles, so he has already started playing around with this puzzle and matching up the different pieces and trying to figure out how each piece fits together in here. I love that each puzzle is very simple with just the 2 pieces. However, there's a lot of them, so that can make it a bit more challenging. Puzzles are a great way to help your child learn about part and whole and learn about matching up different shapes. My son has been counting everything lately. We are all about counting things. If we find rocks on the road, we're gonna count them. If we see birds on a house, we're gonna count them. So this next activity is perfect for him. This is Lovevery's wooden counting box. This is a really fun and unique activity, and it's perfect for the 3-year-old age. This is a wooden box, and it has different cards that you can switch out on the top of the box right here. They go from numbers 1 through 10, and you just place the cards on top of the box, and it also comes with 10 pegs. And what you can do is put the peg inside the hole. Next to the number 1, there's only going to be 1 hole. Next to the number 2, there'll be 2 holes, and so on, all the way up to 10. Your child can see how 1 peg fits into 1 hole, and it has the number 1 over here, as well as the written out word 1. I love this activity because it is self-correcting. You can only fit 1 peg in 1 hole, so you can't put 3 pegs next to the number 1. My son really loves this activity because when you pull this knob here, the peg falls through the hole and then comes out right here, and that just makes it even more exciting because there's a cause and effect feature with this activity. The next activity is this wooden van that has a lock and keys that come with it, so that your child can practice locking and unlocking these doors. Actually, that door is locked on the camper, but this door is not. The key is a very simple key. It doesn't have any teeth, it's just flat, so it's really easy for children to use to lock and unlock. The van also has a couple of other features. At the top, it has this little pop-up, and then it has a seat that you can put the peg dolls, which also come in the kit. To go along with the van, they also have a little tent along with 4 little peg dolls and 4 little sleeping bags. We have 4 different colors of peg dolls, and each peg doll has their own little sleeping bag that they can go into, which is really cute. They can sleep in the tent or they can sleep in the camper van. The camper van has been my son's favorite activity so far. He has really enjoyed playing with the camper and playing with the dolls and the tent, and really is starting to get into that pretend play. The next thing in the box are these solid wood stacking boulders. Building towers is a great fine motor skill that helps practice hand-eye coordination and voluntary release skills, but these irregularly shaped boulders add an extra challenge of patiently aligning the different surfaces. So I really love with these that the children have to concentrate and really take a look at the different sides and how big they are and kind of work to figure out how to build a tower with these irregularly shaped boulders. The next activity is the Reach for the Stars matching cards. At first I thought that these were going to be like a one-to-one matching card game like we've seen in the past, but actually this Lovevery matching card game is a bit different. By the age of 3, many children start identifying some basic shapes. The cards in this deck have some familiar ones like a triangle and a circle, as well as 1 or 2 that might be new like a pentagon. So I went through the matching activities and found that there are 7 of each shape, and there are 7 different colors. So for instance, there will be 7 stars or 7 circles or 7 squares. And like I said, each one is a different color. So there's actually a lot of different activities and games that you can play using this card set. And I love that Lovevery made sure to include a lot of the different games and activities that you can do with these cards in their play guide. The final thing included in this play kit is the book Now That I'm 3. Your child's independence is likely kicking into a higher gear as they approach the 3-year mark. This book helps to acknowledge all that they can do now. From household chores to taking on their own hygiene, they're embarking on a new era of independence which benefits everyone in the family. My son really enjoyed this book. We are a huge fan of the Lovevery books. I love that they always use realistic people and examples and realistic situations. This book goes over all the fun things that your now almost 3-year-old is capable of doing or will be capable of doing soon. My son really enjoyed going through this book and pointing out all the things that he can already do. So yes, we really love the Lovevery books. This one is going to definitely be a favorite in our household. And speaking of Lovevery books, did you know that you can add book bundles onto your Lovevery subscriptions? With each subscription box, they have a few different books that they recommend that you can add onto your bundle. They're usually pretty age specific to that box. So we added on the book This or That. This book is so fun. It has these flip tabs in the book, and those are a really big hit with both of my kids. And it's a really cute book about making different choices, this or that. Which pants, the blue pants or the one with bugs? And then you get to see which one he chose. The bugs. This is a really, really cute and fun book. So if you do have a Lovevery subscription, I would recommend looking into adding a book bundle onto your next subscription box. Now for the part you guys have all been waiting for, the giveaway. I am so excited to announce that I am working with Lovevery to host a giveaway for you guys. The giveaway winner will receive 1 free play kit of their choice. The giveaway is open to residents of US and Canada, and if you want to know how to enter the giveaway, be sure to head over to my Instagram account because I will be hosting the giveaway over on Instagram. I'll have all the details for how you can enter in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so glad to have you guys here. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed this content, make sure you are subscribed because I put out new videos just like this every week. I will see you in my next video. Bye!